What is good, guys? In today's video I'm going to be walking you through my German 40 strategy that has made me multiple payouts using prop firms throughout my trading career. The strategy is 100% mechanical, so you can easily copy and paste the way I will be showing you now on the charts. So let's get on to the charts now. Okay, so guys, so what you can see now is I got my German 40 chart right here. German 40, German 30, the DAX, indice, right? It doesn't really matter. So what we have to look at here is, as you can see, we have split the chart into days. This red lines basically are separating the days. So as you can see, midnight here for each of these red lines, right? So this is the price action throughout the day. And I'm currently in the 15-minute chart and UTC time zone, my trading view. The time zone is UTC, so London time, and 15-minute chart on trading view. And the strategy, guys, is extremely simple. It's a very basic strategy that has yielded crazy results over the past year, 2 years. And I want you guys to go back test it yourself and let me know what you guys can find. So let me show you guys what the strategy consists of. The strategy is very simple. Let me go to a random day, like let's say this day right here. So as you can see on my chart, I'm using the Lux Algo Sessions indicator to highlight this candle. This candle is the 8:15 London time candle on the UTC time zone on TradingView, 8:15. And this candle, what we have to do is we have to draw a high and the low range on this candle, just like this. The strategy consists of waiting for breakout to one side of the range and then entering on the other side. In this case, throughout this whole day, we got 0 entries. If we go to, let's say, a better example, perhaps this one right here. This yellow one right here is 8:15 London time. We make the range, and what you can see is this is a perfect scenario that plays out. We enter right here because we got our first break to the top side here, which means we will enter on the other side. And with our stop loss right on the opposite side of the range, we will break even at 1-to-1 risk to reward. So here you move your stop loss to break even, and then 1-to-2 risk to reward is what we will target as our 100% TP. This is the strategy, and the results it has yielded in the past year, for example 2024, that's when I've used it. The results were very good. I think if you risked 1% per trade, you would have got around 45 to 50% return in the year with a very little drawdown. The max drawdown for this strategy was, I think, around 5% for the whole year. So if you can run this on prop firms or funded accounts, you will be very profitable. And there's many things you can experiment with. You can experiment with partial take profits. You can experiment with this 1-to-1 risk reward and do 100% TP there. Trailing stop loss. These are all things that you can experiment with, right? This case right here, for example, you would have not gotten any entry. You see how it makes it so much easier to just see the trades when you split into day by day, but just 2 lines. This side again. Yeah, that's another downside of this strategy, that you don't get trades every single day. Many days you just don't get an entry because price goes one side. But overall, it's very nice. Like for example, this day right here, got an entry to the downside here, and I believe you got just about a break even on this, like this. You probably would have got an entry here, stop loss there, then a 1-to-1, and right here you got your break-even trade. Just trying to find a better example that would be a good way to show the strategy's profitability. Now this would be a losing example. This strategy does have losing times as well, like every strategy obviously. It's all about having an edge in the long term. This side right here, I think it's pretty good trade we got here. Yeah, so we broke out on the downside, but we are ignoring that as per the rules, and then we take along right here, and 1 to 1 here we would have broken even into the next day, and then a full TP would have been hit in the next day as well, next day morning, just after the dark days range creation candle, right? So guys, I suggest you go back in time, backtest this strategy, just backtest for 2024, and let me know in the comments the results you're getting. And I bet you that no one's gonna be complaining in the comments saying the results are bad for this strategy, because the results are exceptionally good. For example, let's see if this one was a good trade. Nah, that wasn't a good trade. Yeah, I'm just let you backtest this and you come back to me and let me know what you think, because I see massive potential with this, and I know that a lot of you guys are looking for mechanical strategies because they're just so easy to just copy and paste and replicate, right? In my last video, I did explain a bit how you can make these kind of strategies. I will go over that in my next video, I think, how to make these strategies again so that everyone's up to date on how to do that. So guys, I'll see you then in the next video with another mechanical strategies. I'm going to be here telling you all mechanical strategy after mechanical strategy. So there's no excuse not to make money. Because imagine I give you 10 strategies, all with an edge, and now you buy a propfirm account and you do 0.1% risk over each strategy. That's a 1% total risk diversified over 10 strategy. That is probably the best way you can slowly and consistently grow your account and make profits. So see you guys in the next video.